how to turn on or turn off Samsung Health in customized apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Customization Service. After click on Customization Service, so you will see if you want to turn on or turn off Samsung Health. Scroll down and use the Samsung Health is here. If you want to turn off Samsung Health, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Samsung Health is turn off. If you want to turn on Samsung Health, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Samsung Health is turned on. You will turn on or turn off Samsung Health from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Samsung Health in customized app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.